Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can instantly create a laggy video using the effect in CapCut Mobile. So first, you just need to add your video to CapCut and then go to video effect. And in here, go to the lens category, then find the FPS lag effect. Okay, this one. Click on the effect. Now your video will become laggy like this, and if you want to, you can adjust on how much laggy or how much the speed of lagginess in your video. For example, I'm going to make it like this. Now just click on a check icon and apply it to the entire clip. So that's it, very simple, and I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.